Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a super exciting topic: how to land a job in AI without a traditional degree. Yep, you heard that right. The AI industry is booming, and guess what? You don't need a fancy degree to get in on the action. Let's break down the secrets to unlocking an AI career. First up, let's talk about the in-demand skills employers are looking for. If you want to make it in AI, you'll need to get comfy with data analysis, programming, and machine learning. Python's the go-to language here, so start brushing up on that if you haven't already. But it's not just about the hard skills. Practical skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and communication are just as essential. Now, where can you pick up these skills? There are tons of resources out there. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and edX offer fantastic online courses. AI-focused boot camps are also a great way to dive deep and get hands-on experience. And don't forget about personal projects. Building your own AI models or contributing to open source projects can really make your resume stand out. Speaking of resumes, let's chat about how to showcase your skills. Employers want to see what you can do, so having a strong portfolio is crucial. Include any projects you've worked on, whether it's a machine learning model you built or a data analysis project that solved a real-world problem. And remember, soft skills matter too. Communication, collaboration, and teamwork are key in any tech job. One of the best ways to get your foot in the door is through networking. Join AI communities online, attend virtual meetups, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Building relationships in the industry can open up opportunities you might not find otherwise. Now let's talk about crafting that killer resume. Highlight your technical skills, but also showcase those projects we talked about. Make sure to include any relevant online courses or boot camps you've completed. And don't be shy about your soft skills. Employers love to see well-rounded candidates who can communicate and work well in a team. I've got some inspiring stories for you too. Take Jane, for example. She was working in retail but had a passion for AI. She took online courses, built a few projects, and started networking. Today, she's a data scientist at a top tech company. Or there's Sam, who transitioned from a marketing role to an AI developer after attending a boot camp and getting involved in open source projects. These success stories show that with dedication and the right approach, you can break into AI without a traditional degree. So, there you have it. The path to an AI career is wide open, and you don't need a degree to walk it. Focus on building those in-demand skills, work on real-world projects, network like a pro, and you'll be well on your way. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.